Hello there and welcome back to another video. Today guys, we are here inside of Roblox Studio once again. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go ahead and make a key code door in order to go ahead and put in your Roblox games, guys. These doors will be really useful for games like Find the Games, like my previous series that I have recorded earlier, guys. So if you are following along with that Find the Game series, then this will definitely help you guys out, because quite a lot of the Find the Games do contain like the key code doors. And to be fair guys, in any game in general, these do probably have a place to be put in, guys. So this is a really useful feature to go ahead and have in your game, and it's a useful feature just to go ahead and know how it works as well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys exactly how you can go ahead and make this. I'll be doing so after I told you all about xXYisus.com, which is my own Roblox code website where you can find out game codes, music codes, and guides. There is tons of stuff in there that you guys have to check out. Overall, we give a codes for over 300 Roblox games, so if you guys need a code for a game, it will be there. Anyway guys, I guess let's just go ahead and get on into this video now. So guys, how exactly can we go ahead and make this door? Well, first things first guys, we want to go ahead and make a door. I probably should have not deleted the spawn. Okay guys, we'll put that back. Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead and make a quick door right now, guys. So we're just gonna make this over here, and then what I'm gonna go ahead and do, I'm just gonna discolor this a little bit, guys, just to make it make sure that this is what the door is, guys, just to emphasize that this is the door. There we go, guys. We've got the door over there. I'm going to quickly duplicate this as well and just make a little frame around the door itself. I'm going to quickly color this color right now, guys. There we go. Slide this in a little bit. Okay guys, there we go. We've got a nice little frame right now, guys. I'm not going to call this door, I'm going to call this frame. There we go. I'm going to duplicate this again, slide that over to this side. Maybe push that in a little bit, guys. Of course, because this is a tutorial, it doesn't really need to be that nice looking, if you guys know what I mean. Right, okay, maybe I should have just only done one at a time. There we go, guys. Let's go in and do this and then duplicate this quickly again. This is honestly going to look horrible, but you know guys, it does the job. Right, okay, up there, and then there we go, guys. Okay, so we've got a nice little door over here with the door frame right now. This is going to be the thing that gets opened and closed. So when we open it, it's going to disappear like this, and when we close it, it's going to go like this, guys. So how exactly can I go ahead and make this? Well, first of all, guys, we want to organize this a little bit better. We're going to create a folder right now, and we're just going to go ahead and call this keycode door, keypad door. I'm just going to call it code door over here, guys. And I'm going to create another folder in here. These are just going to be the pots in here right now, guys, like the door and the frame itself. Let's go ahead and put all these inside of that right now, guys, just for some organization. Next, guys, what we are needing to go ahead and do is actually create the whole like display and all that sort of stuff for the door itself, guys. So let's go ahead and do this right now. So what we're gonna go ahead and do over here, we're gonna make a part. It's going to be on the left hand side right now, guys. You know what, first we'll start off with a display. We want it to like kind of like stick out a little bit from the door itself, just to make it a little bit, have a little bit depth to it as well, just to make it look a little bit nicer. Scale this. Honestly guys, I am making a tutorial here, so it's not going to look the nicest. Anyway guys, we're going to create a folder in here, and we're going to go ahead and name this display. There we go, guys. You probably you can do this without making like the folders and all that sort of stuff, guys, but honestly it will be a lot easier just to go ahead and do this like I am. I'm gonna call this display 2 display, and inside this, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add a surface GUI. Keep in mind, guys, all of these codes and scripts and all that sort of stuff are on my Patreon, so if you guys want to go ahead and check out that is linked down below in the pinned comment up to this video, guys. Anyway, over here we are going to go ahead and create a text label right now, guys. Text label over here, and what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, I'm going to quickly size this 1 and 0 there, and then 1 0 there, guys. 1 1, so it does fill up the whole thing. I want to make this transparent, guys, because I do kind of want to keep the black background. There we go, guys. And then I'm going to quickly turn on text scaled, and the text, maybe a nice little green color would be nice. Oops, wait, what's happened here? Text color green. Oh, I know why. Yeah, maybe a nice little green color over there. That could be nice. You can do whatever color you want. The colors don't really matter. It's just a nice little thing, really, guys. Input code ... Okay, guys, there we go. So pretty much we have this over here. This is our display itself, and this is going to be the thing that shows the numbers that the person clicks right now. So we've got the display right now in the display folder. Next, we want to go ahead and create some buttons. So we want to make these some square buttons right now. Quickly slide this in a little bit more, and for the size, guys, I'm just going to make it one over there. There we go, guys. We've got a nice little square button over here, and we want to create a keypad right now. So let's go ahead and do this over here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do right now, guys, I am going to go ahead and just what I'm going to do inside this. So in each pot, we're just going to duplicate this just to make it a bit easier. We're going to add a click detector. We're also going to go ahead and add a surface GUI. After that, guys, we want to go ahead and add a text label inside this text label. And of course, we want to go ahead and just make the size of this 1 0 so 1 0 1 0 1 0. There we go, guys. So that is completely done over there. And also, of course, I want to make this transparent, guys. Makes it look a lot nicer. And for the button itself, where is it? Where's the text in this? Oops. Button itself, one, of course, text skilled, and I'm going to make this a nice little white color right now, guys. There we go. How does that look? Okay, looks okay. We'll quickly make this a little bit of a darker color right now, guys. Here we go. Okay, so we got that right over there, guys. Number 1. Inside of this folder, I'm going to go ahead and add another folder, and I'm going to call this one buttons. So buttons over there, guys. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and put this part in here. And all I'm going to go ahead and do right now, I'm just going to copy and paste this until I have 1 to 9 or 1 to 9 and 0. I'll meet you guys back in a second. Okay, guys, so we got this right now, 0 to 9, and essentially, guys, we need to go ahead and add a few more buttons over here. So you could either add just a single enter button or enter and a clear button, guys. So what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm just going to duplicate this right now, slide it down there, and I'm going to go ahead and change the text in here to enter or ENT. So where's the text over here? So ENT maybe, enter maybe, yeah, enter over there. That looks fine. And then I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this one again, and this one's just going to be called clear right now, guys. So this is just going to allow us to enter and also clear out our code right now, guys. So where is it? Text clear, wait, clear. There we go, guys. So we got this all working right now. Well, it's not working yet, but we got this all ready. And now, guys, we are going to go ahead and create our script right now. So in our starter GUI, we're just going to go ahead and create a local script. We're just going to quickly call this door script over here, guys. So first things first, you guys are going to want to go ahead and set out a code for your door, guys. And this is just going to be a digit number. It can be any amount of digits you want, guys, but we're going to go ahead and set out code here. So local, sorry, let me quickly get rid of that. So local code equals, let's say our code is going to be code 1234. A simple code over there, guys. So essentially, if you go ahead and enter in 1234, then it's going to go ahead and work, guys. You can make this however long you want or however short you want, guys. Just enter a code that you want, guys. You can also do like a random code if you guys want by doing math.random and then by doing like, wait, I don't know what's happened here. I've actually clicked on insert, like 1111 to like 9999 if you guys want a 4-digit code, something like that, guys. But by having the code, you want some way for the player to actually know the code in the game. Maybe that's by leaving the hints with numbers, guys. So yeah, just whatever you want. But 1 2 3 4 over here for the actual thing of today's video, for the example of today's video right now, guys. Next, we're gonna go ahead and find the door itself. So local door equals workspace, wait for child, and then we're gonna go ahead and do code door dot parts dot parts, and then dot door right now, guys. Okay, now we have this. We're gonna want to go ahead and get the buttons right now. Same thing again, copy and paste this. So local buttons equals, and then that dot buttons. There we go, guys. And then further on, we're gonna go ahead and get the display as well. So local display equals dot display, and then we're going to go ahead and do dot display again because we want to go ahead and find the actual thing in the display, and then dot surface GUI. There we go, guys. Okay, so we have that right now. We are ready to go ahead and start scripting. I think actually we're going to want to go ahead and do this. So local current input equals, and then some quotation marks up there, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this right now. So essentially what we need to go ahead and do is actually set up. Right, okay, guys, so you can actually do this. You can go ahead and tween your door so it, like, right, for example, let's say if I didn't tween my door, it could go on and off like this, guys. If I tweened it, it would be a like nice little animation, like a sliding one over there, guys. You can do either. I'm just going to show you guys the on and off one, guys. I'll be making a special tweening video so you guys know all about tweening, but for now, I'm not going to show you guys that. Anyway, we want to go ahead and actually do the buttons bit now. So we're going to go ahead and do for I, comma, V in pairs, and then we're gonna go ahead and do buttons, and then get children right now, and do. Okay, guys, wait, what's happening? Never mind. Okay, so what's happening here over here? We are getting all the children from this buttons thing, guys. So that's getting all of these parts over here, and we are gonna be getting all these right now. So what we're gonna go ahead and do, we're gonna do v dot click detector, dot mouse click. Connect, and then function, connect function, and okay, so we have that right now, guys. Wait, v dot, yeah, this should be working. Just normally whenever like the options don't show up, I think I might have made a spelling mistake. I'm not too sure, guys. Anyway, what we're doing here, we're detecting if anything's being clicked over here. You guys could do this with instead of like text labels, you can do text buttons, guys. Whatever you want, click detectors or text buttons, doesn't matter. But if you guys were doing like text buttons, it would be like dot mouse button 1 up or something like that, guys. Anyway, now we have that over here. What we need to go ahead and do is actually start, well, detecting what we got right now, guys. Okay, so what we're gonna go ahead and do over here, we're gonna go ahead and do if string dot if string dot lower, and then button wait, actually 1 second, guys, we need to go ahead and get the button input itself. Sorry, so local button input input equals v dot, where is it? So v dot surface GUI, and then dot text label. Dot text label over there, guys. So what we're doing over here, we are just simply finding this text label over here from the button, and we actually need to go ahead and find the text for that. So dot text. There we go, guys. So we're finding this text over here. Where is it? For example, this one's number 1. So we'll find out that the value of this, whatever the button that the flip throughs text is 1. So whenever they click on it, a 1 will show up. So we have that right now. Next, we are going to go ahead and check whatever the string has, whatever like thing has been entered. So we're going to go ahead and do over here. So if string dot lower, if I could actually copy and paste, right, button input equals enter, then. So what we're doing here, guys, we're just checking if the button that has been clicked here is the enter button. Why are we doing dot lower? That's just converting whatever text is in this. If, for example, ours is uppercase, it's just converting it all to lowercase just to make it a bit easier, guys. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and do if current input equals, and then we're gonna go ahead and do toString code. What we're doing here, guys, we're checking if the current input, which is gonna be like our numbers in the order, is the same as this code over here. The reason why we do toString is because right now the code is an integer value. We just want to go ahead and convert this to a string value so we can actually properly convert them. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and do then after that, guys, we're going to go ahead and do display dot text label dot text equals correct over here, guys. So that's going to show up correct on this thing over here if they actually correctly do it. And then we're going to go ahead and do current input equals speech marks again, guys, because we want to reset the current input again. And then, guys, we are going to go ahead and do door door. To be fair, guys, you could probably even destroy the door. If you want to make it so that the door like reappears in like a few seconds, you could do like, for example, door dot can collide and visible equals 1 and false, and then wait something and then reset them back, guys. But for this, I'm just gonna go ahead and completely destroy the door right now, guys, because let's say whenever they input the code, this door is going to be gone for the rest of the game right now, guys. So we're going to completely destroy the code to destroy the door. Whenever that happens, guys, the door literally just gets deleted from the game. So anyway, we got that right now. What we are then going to go ahead and do, to be fair, we probably don't want to destroy the door, guys. We're just going to go ahead and do door dot, wait, let me quickly get the door. There it is, guys. So we're going to do door dot can collide equals false. So that means it can't collide. And we're going to also do door dot transparency equals 1, guys. Right, also, that's just reminding me, we do need to anchor all of this stuff, guys. Make sure this is all anchored, because if we were to join the game right now, it would all come crumbling down, guys. To anchor like all the stuff, just highlight it, guys, but click and drag and then just select anchor over there, guys. That's now everything being anchored, which, yeah, that's good that it is actually anchored like that, guys, because if not, that would be a pretty messy situation. Anyway, next we want to go ahead and actually set the display. So I'm going to do a little wait thing over here. So wait, let's do 2 seconds right now, and then we're going to go ahead and set the display text back to nothing. So display dot text label dot text equals input code again, guys. Input code, something like that, guys. Again, to be fair, we don't really need the code again because the door will be gone for the rest of the game. But if you were to like replace the door, so for example, we could do wait 2 over here, and then we could just like do this again and put true and 0 if you wanted the door to actually reappear after 2 seconds, guys. But anyway, you know, guys, we'll do that for the video. So equals true and then 0 right now, guys, and then that'll be back to input code. To be fair, we want it probably a bit more than that, maybe like 7 seconds if it's gonna go again. But anyway, guys, okay, so we have that bit right now. Then we are gonna go ahead and do else if current input equals no, sorry, not equals. 1 second, guys, where is the curly thing on my, there it is, guys, right next to the hashtag. So curly line and then equals to string code right now, guys. Then so we are checking right now, guys. Wait 1 second. Oh no, man, yeah, okay, so we're checking right now if wait to string. Okay, never mind, guys, sorry. Wait, have I done this? I've done this in the wrong bit right now, guys. Sorry, I need to quickly get rid of that, and we're gonna go in and do that here. Anyway, okay, so we got that bit right now. Anyway, after that, wait, if then else if, that should be, wait 1 minute, we do need the end for this bit right now, guys. Let's quickly tab that in. Yeah, okay, that should be good. Anyway, okay, so we got that right now, guys. What we're gonna go ahead and do over here, we're just gonna go ahead and put display dot text label dot to be fair, guys, we can probably change the text to red. So we're gonna go in and do text color 3 equals color 3 dot from RGB. And then from here, guys, just click on this and just select a nice little red over here, guys. That's gonna go ahead and make a red, and to be fair, I can probably make it 0 there just to make it even better red. Anyway, from there, we're gonna go ahead and do display. To be fair, I'm just gonna quickly copy this right now and then just type in incorrect. Incorrect. There we go, guys. Okay, after we've done that, we'll want to set back the current input to nothing again because they've done it wrong, of course. And then we want to go ahead and wait. This time we're gonna wait like we'll wait 2 seconds because we're not actually changing anything. And then from that, we're then gonna go ahead and copy this again. Instead, this time we want the text to be nothing. And also, to be fair, we probably want to reset the text to nothing before we change the color, just in case there are any delays. And then we want to go ahead and get this color that's there originally right now, guys. So copy that color thing over there, and there we go, guys. Okay, so we've reset it back to the green thing right now, guys. Anyway, now we're gonna go ahead and do here else, wait, so if and then else. What we do now, so pretty much we've checked if it's either going to be enter wait, actually no, we forgot to do clear. So else if we're gonna copy this, else if that, just wait 1 second guys, these all these like ends are right, never mind then, there we go guys. Okay, wait, string.lower button input equals clear. Yeah, there we go guys. Okay, anyway, we got that bit right now. What we're gonna go ahead and do, if they click on clear, all we're gonna go ahead and do right now is just set the current input to nothing, and also we want to go ahead and select the, well, we want to go ahead and put the display as well to nothing as well guys. So this is going to reset both the display and also the input that they've done. And guys, furthermore from that, we're going to go ahead and do else completely. So wait 1 second guys, so else, actually no, we need to go ahead and do that in here. All of these stuff has confused me. Else and then what we're going to go ahead and do right now guys, we're going to go ahead and do current input equals current input ... button input right now. And then we're going to go ahead and set the display .text label .text equals current input. Okay, so we got this right now guys. This should be working, hopefully it's working. What I've done here guys, so whatever input they put, which is a number, because we've checked all the other possible answers what it could be, we're gonna go ahead and, I forgot what it's called, it's like concatenation or something like that guys, like append, I don't know, I forgot the term for this, but essentially we're gonna go ahead and join whatever input they've had to the current input value over here guys. Let's go ahead and try this out right now. So remember our code was 1 2 3 4. Let's test it out. 1 2 3 4, enter. There we go guys, correct. And now that's going to go ahead and go in. After about 7 seconds guys, it's going to go ahead and reappear again. We can walk in and out of this. Yeah, of course, it just closed up on us. Anyway guys, now we're going to go ahead and try and enter in a wrong one. Apologies that this is like going up and down right now guys. It's just because, well, I've not really lined it right. But anyway guys, enter. As you guys can see, incorrect over here. So then I'm going to reset back. Actually, to be fair, we probably should add, wait, where is it? So we got the incorrect bit right now, and we actually just want to go ahead and put this back to input code. Sorry about that guys. Yeah, input code again. Anyway, this should be good right now, so let's try this again. So let's enter in a wrong code, enter incorrect 1 2 input code. There we go guys. Now we're going to go ahead and try the clear system, clear input code again guys. There we go, it's all working right now. And that's how you guys can go ahead and make a code door inside of Roblox Studio. All of these resources and scripts and all sorts of stuff guys are going to be on my second channel, which is called Noob, not on my second channel, on my Patreon guys, which is linked down below in the pinned comment of today's video. But yeah guys, I hope you all did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to show some support, and peace out.